We're going to look at connecting the Redware connector for Dynamics 365 to Sage 200. So on the left, I've got Sage 200, and here I have the connector software. You need to check that CRM is okay. You should have set that up already by pressing the test button. And check the license. You should have a license for CRM Sage 200. Just test that license. And then you should have this window appearing here. Now you use your Windows login, not your CRM login. Use a Windows login, doesn't have to be your own one, and press Show Companies, and that will connect through to Sage. So you need to have Sage 200 client on your machine, and also you need to have the Sage API installed on the server. So here we've got a company, we've got two companies. What I can do is I can save and then connect. And that's going to connect through to Sage 200. Basically, if the connect works, you're fine, but you need to set a default product group. And if you've got multi-locations, you need to set a default warehouse. So that's basically the setup for that Sage. If you wanted to, you could set up a second one by pressing Save, Connect, and setting the product group. So if I just close that down, I think once you've set it up, you have to close it and open it again, I'm afraid. And here you are. So you can check here, everything's connected okay. If you look at your connector now, you're going to have these two Sage 200 set up, and you could search, for example, search for all your customers beginning with A. And if this works, give it a second. You know now we're connected through to Sage OK, and the product should work as it does for the other accounting packages. Okay, thank you.